Hello all, here in this video we are going to understand what is higher order function. It is very important for a JavaScript developer. Okay, so the simple definition for the higher order function is a function which takes another function as an argument, or if a function returns a function, so in that situation that function is called a higher order function. Okay, so let me explain with example so that it's going to be very easy. So here we have a simple function that is called good morning. So if you invoke this good morning, we know that it will print this console.log good morning. Okay, so otherwise we can do one thing. So here what I'm doing, I'm creating another function that is called greet. Okay, so this greet function is expecting one parameter, suppose a triple x. Just imagine triple x. So here this triple x is a function. So if you pass any function, it will invoke it. Simple. Okay, so whenever you invoke this greet, what it is expecting? A function. So I'm passing this function as an argument. So I hope now if you're following this series, you know what we can call this function, right? What it is? It is a, tell me what it is. If you pass a function as an argument to another function, then what is this triple x? Okay, here that triple x is the callback function, right? Remember? Yes, the triple x is the callback function, and this greet is there, na? That is the higher order function. That's it, simple. Greet is the higher order function. What's the definition? If a function which takes another function as an argument. Now this greet function is taking another function as an argument. That's it. So here if you invoke the greet, what will happen? It is taking this good morning as an argument, and it is receiving as a parameter, and it will invoke it. This is simply higher order function. Okay, one thing is completed. If a function expect taking another function as an argument, it is a higher order function. Simple, nothing complex in here. Or if a function returns another function, that is also called a higher order function. Suppose, I hope you guys understood. If you want, I can come up with another example also, but hopefully this is simple. So this function is there. Function, um, say hello. This is a simple function. Suppose if you return 10, right? If you're returning 10, it is possible, right? Instead of returning 10, suppose if you are able to return another function. Okay, this is possible in JavaScript. Suppose if you're from different programming background, maybe you will surprise for this, but this is 100% possible in JavaScript. So this is simply hello. Okay, we can return, right? We can return variables or arrays or anything. So then here this say hello is also a higher order function. Is an higher order. What is the use of it actually? Yes, we can pass a function as an argument to other function, or we can return a function from another function. So in that situation, we can call this as a higher order function. Many advantages are there. So if you want to understand those advantages, we should understand first of all what is a first class function and what is a functional programming. Okay, that is most important thing. Okay, I'm going to cover what is functional programming and with some good examples in a separate video. because this is not the right time. So after understanding few other concepts, definitely I will come with the functional programming. Okay, and here, okay, simply now in the next video we are going to understand a lot of array methods. So if you see, suppose if you take an array, it is providing lots of methods to us. Okay, suppose var marks is equal to, just mention 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, here if you see marks dot map, okay, marks dot filter, okay, marks dot find, marks dot reduce. These are super important methods, right? So what are these? These are all are higher order functions. How can we say that higher order function? Means it will accept a function as an argument. We can pass callback functions. So hopefully if you already know about how to use the map, filter and find and reduce on top of an array, hopefully you understand that. But if you don't know, don't worry, I'm coming with another video. We are going to learn how to use a map method, how to use filter method, how to use find method, how to use reduce method. All these are higher order function because it will these methods are accepting a function as a argument. So let's see, so we can take some examples, and in coding challenges also these are very important. And one more thing, so how we are getting this map, because we just provided this just information, right? 10 20 30. How we are able to get map method, filter method and find method, reduce method? Who is providing all these things? Okay, hopefully you understand. Tell me, just ping me in the comment how these are coming, how these are coming, from where these are coming. So if you see, it is coming from array object. Do you remember prototypes? Prototypes and prototypal inheritance. Okay, if you didn't understand, please go back and watch those videos. What is callback function? Okay, what is a constructor function? What is a prototype? And what is a prototypal inheritance? That is very important. Okay, so okay, fine, this is enough. So in this video, simply we should understand simple statement, that's higher order function is nothing a function which takes another function as an argument, or if a function returns another function, in that situation that function is called a higher order functions. It's very simple. In the next video we are going to learn very important higher order functions, okay, on top of arrays, okay, because these are accepting another callback function. That's all for the that's all for this video. If you understand, just click on like button and just mention that understood. Please do practice, okay, otherwise you can't remember anything. And definitely I will come up with another video for functional programming and the difference between the first class functions and the higher order functions and all these things. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.